First day boat school. We're going down the intercoastal. Woo. Hey guys, if you are new to our channel, welcome and thanks for joining. Just give you a heads up for anybody that's watching. We will be posting some new videos in the near future. Right now we just got back from sailing school and we're about to go pick up our daughters tomorrow,
but we're on the boat right now, as you can kind of
and we're out here.
We're at the marina.
Yep. So just wanted to again just give you a heads up. We'll be posting some more here very soon in the near future. We're finally here on the boat and excited to share our journey with you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks guys.